Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning viewer, welcome. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to join me on my crafting adventure. Today, I have a new design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. I have created this beautiful waterfall folio with Notepad using the Prima Diamond Collection. Although this collection came out last year, it is still available at ASC Craft Supplies. You could visit them on their website or on their Etsy store. Also, please feel free to use my coupon code Robyn10 to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. I created this project using an SVG file from My Scrap Chick. This is a file that I designed for them, and it is really easy to put together. I have a full tutorial that shows you step by step on how to make this project. This project measures 7.5 tall by 4 inches wide, and the depth is 3/4 of an inch. I really love the way this project turned out. Although I've created several of these waterfall folios, each of them look completely different, and this is no exception. The Prima diamond paper is just so beautiful, and I love the rustic, tribal inspired images that really jump out on the page. I'm going to adjust my camera so that I can give you a closer look of the cover as well as the inside. This project is made out of an 80-pound cardstock. I have added in this beautiful copper paper, which is prevalent throughout the paper collection. The next layer has this beautiful black and white batik paper. I've offset that with this leopard print, and you can see the hints of black and the copper. And then we've got this beautiful image of this woman. This is one of the signatures in the Prima Diamond collection, so you will see me use this quite often in the next few projects that I'm going to show you. On the upper left and lower right corners, I've adorned the book with these beautiful corner pieces. I've created this using an Anna Griffin cut and emboss folder called Corners. Let me show you what that looks like. These are some of the examples, and there are 4 different designs in the set. On the top here, I've used part of the ephemera to embellish this corner. And on the bottom here, I've cut out this sentiment from the 12 by 12 collection. Hopefully you can see it. It says, "Being underestimated is one of the biggest competitive advantages you can have. Try to embrace it." And I love the way this last sentence is hugged by this little corner piece here. In the corner here, I've got more ephemera and then a embellishment from the Prima Diamond Say It in Crystals. This is what the side looks like, and this is the back. On the side, I've used this pretty seam binding in a light brown and tan, and let me show you how I've embellished this. On the ends of the seam binding, I've created these little copper discs, and then I've embellished each of them with the little gemstones from the Say It in Crystals. To create these little discs, I use this 1/2-inch circle punch by Tim Holtz, and then I just glued a piece on the front and back of the seam binding and then added the little gem, and I think that is really pretty. Let's take a look inside. On the left side, we have this notepad, and it is quite thick. It has several sheets of paper. I have it backed with a thin piece of chipboard. This is a serial weight chipboard, and then I've embellished it with this little holder here. On the inside, we have more of this batik design, and on the pocket, I've used this cut apart from the paper collection. It says Queen. On the right side, we have these waterfall pages, and this paper is just so gorgeous. If you haven't seen the collection in its entirety, I did do a full review. I will include a link in the description box below, but I just think it is so beautiful. You've got these beautiful flowers on one side, and I have lined the paper with this copper, and then on the back, the pages are blank so that you can include a photo. Here we have this beautiful woman. We have a sentiment here that says she's got that warrior princess, purpose-driven, savage but sweet kind of vibe. And each of these pieces I cut apart. Here's more of this beautiful paper. We have another beautiful African image here, and it says, "Make your mark." We have this beautiful paper with the flowers. And then we have another beautiful African woman here, and it says, "Queen, Strength, and Dignity." And this is the last page. The great thing about this notepad is that once you've finished with this pad, you can simply insert another pad so that you can use this for quite a long time. This concludes my review of my Waterfall folio with Notepad. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this project, please be sure to join me tomorrow to see more fun projects that I've created using this Prima Diamond collection. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.